The MS House, designed by Studio Arthur Casas, offered a unique summer retreat for a family near São Paulo. The challenge was to embrace both the breathtaking southern views of the golf course and woods, and the inviting northern sunlight. The architects achieved this by following the plot's latitudinal axis. On the south side, a long corridor with floor-to-ceiling glass windows allowed for framed views of the landscape. Wooden louvers provided privacy and shade from the harsh sunlight, while a dense garden on the north side brought in natural light. The social areas were designed as a large, open space seamlessly integrated with the outdoors. To combat the dry climate, a small pond with natural filtration was created, wrapping around the house. The pond doubled as a swimming pool, with deeper sections for taking a dip. The designers used a variety of materials to create distinct areas. The private areas featured warm wood flooring, while the social areas showcased cool, rough stone. A high, wooden ceiling in the living room added warmth and extended outdoors, blurring the lines between interior and exterior. The focus on open space continued throughout the social areas. A series of interconnected rooms flowed seamlessly, including an entrance hall, a living room with a fireplace, and a dining room. Large sliding glass doors disappeared into the walls, creating a connection between the interior and a spacious terrace. A clever design element was a continuous slit in the ceiling that provided natural light without any beams obstructing the view. The gourmet kitchen and home theater could also be integrated into the living space through additional sliding doors. The luxurious touches continued outside. A wooden deck concealed a jacuzzi, while a ground hearth made of stone provided a perfect spot for enjoying clear nights. The master's suite and atelier resided on the first floor, accessed by a sculptural staircase with floating steps underneath a large glass ceiling. This unique design transformed the atrium into a light-filled courtyard. The overall aesthetic of the MS house was rustic and elegant. Washed-tone bricks played with light and shadow, while narrow window frames minimized their visual presence. The interior design echoed this theme, blending iconic American pieces with discreet Italian furniture. Artworks and antiques from the client's collection added a final touch of personality and history. So there you have it, a glimpse inside this stunning MS house by Studio Arthur Casas. This beautiful home proves that thoughtful design can truly elevate your living experience. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your own summer retreat or simply appreciate beautiful architecture, I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the MS house was. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible home design videos.